Hello everybody and Happy New Year! Today we're going to do our monthly update of our eToro portfolio for the month of December. My name is Christophe Noor and I'm a popular investor on eToro. I joined the platform in 2022, but before that I've been investing for 6 years. So this resulted in a compounded return of 28%. The goal with this eToro portfolio is to outperform the S&P 500 in the long term and to do 26% return per year, which results in the double every 3 years. Now let's talk about the strategy and how I plan to outperform the market. As Charlie Munger said, the big money is not in the waiting and the selling, but in the waiting. The goal is to find very good companies and hold them in the long term. We will not do shorts, we will not do any leverage nor crypto because this is not my kind of investing. My kind of investing is to buy simple, strong, cheap businesses. And right now we have 14 stocks in our portfolio. The big change in this month of December is that I bought Evolution AB for about 5% of the portfolio, which brings down our cash. Now we have 15% of cash and 85% investing in stocks. So I like it this way and I think it's a very comfortable position to be in because if prices drop for some reason, I will be able to buy at a cheaper price. In terms of the portfolio performance, we've had a very good year and very good December performance. To compare apples to apples, in December our portfolio gained 5.1% compared to 4.4% for the S&P 500, and for the whole year of 2023 we've reached 36% return compared to 24.7% return for the S&P 500. So our goal is reached and our number goal of 26%, our target of 26% has been reached. So I'm very happy with the results. Not very euphoric because if you look at our companies we hold, even though most of them are in the green, our biggest position, Occidental Petroleum, is still flat. So I think we have some potential in 2024 to outperform again the main indices. In terms of the overall markets, there is still some AI hype, so everything tech related to AI has a very expensive valuation, and inflation is going down now at 3 or 4%, so this is good news for the overall market. Some things could influence the inflation rates, especially geopolitical conflicts, and now the Fed is talking about interest rates cuts. The interest rates are at about 5%, and Jerome Powell said that they will cut rates once or twice next year. But right now the market is expecting them to cut more than twice, maybe 6 times or 7 times. So the market thinks that the Fed is lying and the Fed is wrong. We will see how it evolves. I don't know, I have no guess for you, I'm sorry. In terms of the broader markets for valuation, US indices are at all-time high, and you see a great difference with China, where everybody is pessimistic. China is very cheap, and I see plenty of opportunities there. So about 10% of my portfolio is invested in China. If China rebounds in 2024, it will be great for us. Again, the Magnificent Seven is holding the whole market with Apple, Microsoft, the Nvidia. They are very strong companies and going up and to the right in 2023. So we will see now that the valuation is quite high for this basket of stocks. I'm curious to see where it will go. The bullish case is that with interest rates declining, valuation may not appear that expensive, and these stocks, these Magnificent Seven stocks, are a hold. So I have some stocks like this in my portfolio, like the Meta and Google. I will not sell them, I will just hold them. In terms of growth, it was a very good month. Our number of eToro copiers has grown from 42 to 112, so welcome everybody. The number of eToro followers has doubled from 430 to 990. In terms of eToro AUC, so asset under copy, we've finally reached more than $100,000 under copy. That's great news. And on our YouTube channel, the subscribers numbers has gone from 724 to 921. So I'm very happy with the results we've had in December and for the whole year of 2023. The future focus of this account is to preserve capital and not take too much risk for 2024 in terms of market, geopolitical risk, oil markets, China. I'm trying to hedge and I think I'm prepared for 2024. I will try my best to invest wisely and not do stupid things, run with some hype stocks, and I prefer to invest in boring companies, cheap companies. That's the way I like to invest and that has worked out well so far. I will try to put up some YouTube content for you so that you are updated. And finally, the goal with this account is to be the first popular investor in France. It will be difficult because we have some great investors in our country, but I remain optimistic and I think that's a great challenge and a great exercise. That's it for this monthly update. I wish you a good day. Bye bye.